Emergencies are one of the biggest concerns for families with aging parents. Sudden falls, breathing difficulties, chest pain, unexpected health changes can happen without warning, and in those moments, the caregiver's response can make all the difference. At Life Circle, every caregiver is trained and prepared to act quickly, calmly, and correctly. Emergency preparedness is built into our training system so seniors stay safe even in the most critical situations. Before learning how to respond, caregivers are trained to recognize early signs of danger. They are taught to identify symptoms of strokes, cardiac distress, breathing trouble, and diabetic spikes. They learn how falls usually occur and how to prevent them. By understanding these risks from day one, caregivers know exactly when to intervene, escalate, or activate emergency protocols. At CareVidya Academy, caregivers undergo structured, real-world emergency response training. They learn first aid, CPR, and how to check vitals. Trainers conduct simulations where caregivers practice responding to falls, choking incidents, asthma attacks, or sudden unconsciousness. They rehearse step-by-step escalation procedures, from stabilizing the senior to immediately contacting Life Circle's nurse supervisors. This hands-on training builds confidence and readiness for real emergencies. When an emergency occurs, caregivers are never alone. They initiate Life Circle's escalation system by calling the nurse supervisor, who guides them through the situation in real time. If hospitalization is needed, Life Circle assists with arranging an ambulance and coordinating with the nearest hospital. Families receive updates through the Life Circle app, ensuring transparency from the moment the incident occurs to the point the senior receives medical help. Emergency readiness doesn't end with deployment. Through the CareTube app, caregivers watch refresher videos on handling crisis, recognizing symptoms, and delivering safe support under pressure. Regular workshops help caregivers stay updated on the latest emergency protocols, and nurse supervisors visit families to monitor performance, provide guidance, and ensure caregivers remain confident in every emergency situation. Here are a couple testimonies from Life Circle families who have experienced the impact of trained emergency care. Kavita S. from Pune and Rohan M. from Bangalore. Emergencies cannot always be predicted, but preparation can save lives. Life Circle ensures caregivers are trained, supported, and supervised so seniors receive safe and immediate care during crisis. To learn more, visit lifecircle.in, call 079713674041, or download the Life Circle app. Please like and subscribe for more elder care videos.